Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So this is in continuation with the previous video that we have uploaded related to median practical problems. Okay, so in that we saw median, how to calculate median for raw data, and in this video we are going to see how to calculate median of ungrouped data. Okay, so that is what we are going to find out. So without much further ado, let's move on to today's topic. So find the median and values have been given. Now here, like I said, it is ungrouped data, so there is a small difference. Here frequency is also given. Okay, so previously just numbers were given and we calculated it using n by 2 for odd number and n by 2 plus 1 and n by 2 value observation whole divided by 2 for even value. So that is how we calculated. Now here frequency is also given. Okay, so there is one more additional step which is very simple and very easy. So we'll move while doing this problem, you will understand it. Okay, so find the median of these values. Now as you can see in the question, it is not given in ascending order. So that is what we are going to do first. Okay, so I'm just writing it here. I'm just writing marks, then frequency. So that is 3, 5, I hope it is clear, 6. After that we'll write this 7 because I'm going to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, 7, then you have 10, then you have 11, 12, 13, 14 and finally 15. And we are going to write the corresponding frequency. For 3 it is 4, 5 it is 6, 6, 5. Then for 7 it is, for 7 it is 3. Okay, so I'm going to write the corresponding frequency. If you want the question, you can just rewind the video and you will see the question, or you can note it down while pausing it. 7, 3. For 10 it is 1, 11, 7, 12 it is 3, 13 it is 2, 14, 3 and for 15 it is 1. Now next what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the frequency n. So if I am adding all these values, I am getting 35. Now n equal to 35, and we all know that 35 is an odd number, right? So how to find median for odd number we had covered in previous video. Please do check it out. It is median, we have to calculate n plus 1 by 2th observation. So that is 35 plus 1 divided by 2, 36 by 2, that is 18th observation. That is what we have to find. Okay, so in this question there is no in this question, in this frequency given, there is no 18th observation. So what we can do is that we can find cumulative frequency. For the first question I am just writing this whole, otherwise I will be writing only CF. Now how to find cumulative frequency, that is also very simple. What you have to do is, first you write the frequency itself, 4. After that you just add these values. And how we will add? 4, then next value is 4 plus 6, this one. Okay, so that is 10. Now how to find next value is this 10 plus this 5. Cumulative, we are doing the cumulative value. Okay, so first we will write this frequency, then 4 plus 6. Okay, 4 plus 6 will get 10, then 10 plus 5 will get 15, then 15 plus 3, this 15 plus 3 will get 18, then 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, 26 plus 3, 29. I hope it is clear. That is how we have to calculate median. Okay, now 29 plus 2 is 31, 31 plus 3, 34, and 34 plus 1, 35. Now one thing that you have to ensure is the total of this frequency and this n should be same, and if it is not same, that means the cumulative frequency that you have calculated is wrong. Okay, so that you have to ensure. See, we are calculating total cumulative frequency only, right? So the total frequency and this end value of cumulative frequency should be same. If not, then whatever you have calculated is wrong. Okay, now here we have got some value. Now we want 18th observation. Okay, so in the cumulative frequency we can say that this is the 18th observation. So what is the corresponding median? It is 7. So median equal to, corresponding value is 7. So we have got our median, that is equal to 7. Okay, so I hope it is clear. I'll just explain it quickly once again. So here some values are given, its frequency is given. What we have done is that we arranged it in ascending order and we wrote their corresponding frequency. Now for finding out, and then we found out the total of this frequency n. Okay, n is 35. 35 is an odd number, so we use this median formula, n plus 1 by 2th observation. So that is 35 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 18th observation. Now here we found out, next what we did is that we did one more additional step, that is we found out cumulative frequency. And how to find out cumulative frequency? We wrote 4 and then we are adding the next frequencies here. Okay, so finally we got 35 and this total should match, and in that we can say that this is the 18th observation. We wrote the corresponding value and that is your median. Okay, so it is very simple. So if you want me to do more problems regarding this, and if you have not understanding this particular question, please mention in the description box so that I can understand. And because of short time only, I'm solving one problem in one method. Okay, but if you want me to upload more videos like this, please mention in the comments section so that I can upload more practical problems related to this particular. If you did not understand, please mention that. Okay, next we move on to next problem. Now here also median is given, marks are given, and number of students are given. Okay, so here we don't have to write it in ascending or descending order because already it is given in ascending order. See, while I am writing the question here, please pause it and you can note down the question so that it will be easy, because otherwise I'll be moving up the book so that you will get the question, so that you will get an idea of the question, because I will be rewriting it anyhow. Now what we can do is that I'm going to write it in tabular column. Okay, again M. I'm going to write the corresponding frequency. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48. Corresponding frequency 2, 5, 7, 8, 13, 26, 6 and 3. Now we have to find total of this frequency. N equal to 2 plus 5, 7, 14, 22, and then finally we are getting this answer as 70. Now 70 is what? N is 70 and it is an even value, right? So median for even value, how we have to find? N by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 observation. See, these are observation. Okay, so we have to find an whole divided by 2. So what we have to find? We have to find n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Now here n is 70, so we know that we have to find the value. Okay, n by 2 is 35th value of 35th observation plus n by 2. So 70 by 2, 35, 35 plus 1, 36th observation, value of 36th observation whole divided by 2. So we have to find 35th observation, value of 35th observation and value of 36th observation. We have to find that from the question. So it is not given. So first step, what we are going to do, we are going to find out cumulative frequency. How we are going to find out? 2, then next 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 13, 35, 35 plus 26, 61, 61 plus 6, 67, 67 plus 3, 70. Okay, so like I said, this total and this total should be same because it is ultimately we are finding out cumulative frequency, right? Now, here in the cumulative frequency, we have to find 35th and 36th observation. So, we have to find the range series in which they are following, okay. So, here in the cumulative frequency, 35th observation is this one, and nearby, see, we don't have exactly 36th observation, but we can find out what is the next one, okay. So, it should be more than 35 and 36. So, 61, we are going to take this corresponding value. So this is 45, 44 and 45. Now we are going to substitute it in the formula. 35th observation is 44 and 36th, kind of 36th observation, nearby value is 45. So we are going to add this thing and divide it by 2. So median is 44.5. So that is your answer. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, please mention it in the description box below. All these problems are same. So if you want me to repeat these problems, please mention that also in the description box so that I can cover in the next video. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.